with flowers in bloom. Birds are singing, bees go zoom. The air is fresh, the grass is green. Spring is the best you've ever seen. Summer follows with sunny days. Time for fun and outdoor plays. Ice cream cones and swims in pools. Summer brings the warmest rules. Autumn winds blow leaves away. Red and gold, they dance and sway. The air gets cool, the skies turn gray. Autumn is a colorful display. Winter brings the snow so white, blanketing the world at night. We wear our scarves and hats so tight. Winter's chill is such a sight. Seasons come and seasons go. Each one brings a special glow. Spring, summer, autumn, and snow, together they make the world glow.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.